Before the video starts, this isn't my video. I'm posting this to promote PiggyMiner525's channel. Enjoy.
Behind the scenes. Today, we'll be getting an exclusive look at how popular quote-unquote YouTuber PiggyMiner525 produces his videos. So, how do you begin the video making process? Well, I pretty much just, like, whenever I'm doing something, I'll just, nobody cares! How long, roughly, does it take to record and edit one of your videos? Well, I'd say, maybe about a month and a half? What? Really? Nah, it's more like a few hours a night, or 2 or 3 nights. Oh, okay, alright. Thank God you're not wasting months of your life making these certainly original videos. So, what do you use to make these videos? Windows Movie Maker, Microsoft Paint, and my mic. That's about it, really. Ah, no wonder your videos are so
Subscribe.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with a finger and a thumb in the shape of it up on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Trading that sense not to live for fun. You pay